Hi, I'm Laurie from Fujitsu. Now I'm sure you've heard of IBM's Maximo Asset Management. It's a great product and it's heading in some really interesting directions. But I'd like to take some time today to share with you what my team have been quietly working on.
Hi, I'm Abhijit Rajankar. I'm a Senior Solution Architect at Fujitsu.
When Abhijit and Anish are not working with our customers to solve business challenges, they are working with IBM and with our cloud partners to rapidly deploy Maximo Application Suite in the cloud, planning your migration to the latest generation of Maximo so you don't have to.
Hi, I'm Paul, Fujitsu's Senior Application Specialist. I run a cloud-based logging service for Maximo, collecting logs from several instances.
Paul collates all logs from both Maximo applications and custom integrations, providing a single view of events and errors. This is reducing the analysis time for problems and improving response time for our support customers. Paul is also our CI/CD guru and can easily deploy code and configuration changes to our customers' Maximo environments, which means features can be deployed automatically, reducing deployment time and eliminating the risk of manual error. With another click of a button, he can spin you up a cloud instance of Maximo for testing something new and blow it away when it's not needed, which can reduce costs. Why pay for a server you use only a few weeks of the year?
Hi, I'm Bruce, Sales Executive at Fujitsu. As Laurie has shared, there's a lot of great stuff happening here in Enterprise Asset Management at Fujitsu. We've been working hard for our customers because their success is what really drives us. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out to Fujitsu. Laurie and I look forward to having a chat.